It was awesome. I felt like a kid with a new toy. Just been a pleasure ever since.
You could say it's been Christmas morning for Tom Wade ever since he bought this little diner you've likely driven by 1,000 times in Lynchburg. Welcome to the Koffee Kup on Timberlake Road.
It makes you feel like you open the door to your house and go in. And that's the feeling we wanted people to have.
Mainly because that's what Tom felt from the time he was a kid coming here for a hot dog and a milkshake. Later, he became a car salesman who sat and ate at this same counter, which hasn't changed since 1954, 7 days a week.
I took my wife and family up to the mountains in October 2016, and I told them, I said, hey, I'm purchasing the Koffee Kup on Timberlake Road. And my wife said, over my dead body. I said, it's too late, I already signed the paperwork. I just need you on everything.
He's still in this place 7 days a week, now joined by his wife Gail, as well as a staff and group of regulars who feel like family.
We put in anywhere from 70 to 80 hours a week here. My chef back there, he's got 4 years of culinary school and all. He is really good.
This is Chef Stone, our chief chef. And Steve just went out to that door.
Yes, he did. I love to cook.
Yes, he does. And I love to eat his cooking.
Him and his wife, they always make you feel at home. Even though Tom don't do as much work as he do, I don't see Tom do but sampling food all the time. But he's a great guy, you know, and they are a great family. They won't let me cook though. And that Cowboy fan knows he don't cook for me. He back in the back washing dishes about something.
You the Cowboy man?
Yeah. He was talking about me, but I know he was.
Yeah, it was.
It's like one big family. And I think when they see us working as hard as they do, they appreciate it.
I've been coming here I'm 60, for 40 years.
Everybody in here is so kind and so nice, so helpful.
We've lost a few people over the years, which is really painful because they're like family. I know probably 99% of the people by their first and last names, which is saying a whole lot for me, I'm here to tell you, because my memory is awful.
From breakfast to lunch, every dish that comes out of the kitchen or off the grill goes through the Wade eye of approval before it comes to your table.
If it doesn't look right before it goes out, we'll put it right back up there and redo it. I said, if you don't think you'd eat it, then don't send it to my customers.
On the flat top, you'll find Tyrone and Gail whipping up some breakfast favorites like omelets, the homemade biscuits and gravy,
Smothered and covered.
thick waffles,
There's no need to even try to make a batter this good at the house. You're not beating this.
and a corned beef hash that's sure to turn you into a regular.
I'm always looking for liver mush. There's nobody in Virginia that has liver mush anywhere. This is close to the flavor of that, and I'm here for it.
Chef Stone has the weekly specials hot and ready in the back. I had him whip me up a white fish paired with green beans and coleslaw.
Fat piece of fish, much like that waffle. The batter here, that's the secret.
So the next time you head down Timberlake Road in Lynchburg, Tom has this sales pitch to bring you into his diner.
That they were welcome and they were part of our family. And that just has stuck with it. Seems a little old-fashioned, but I enjoy it.
The Koffee Kup, an old-fashioned hometown eat for a modern, fast-paced world.